Hello, today we're gonna see how to send money from GO2BANK to other banks and debit cards. This is this is really easy. The first step we need to do is open our GO2BANK account. Once we open our bank account or GO2BANK account, we need to click this option in the left called bank transfer. We're gonna click this button once. And then right here, we need to verify some details to continue to uh, to do a bank transfer. It's really easy to do these steps. You need to click this button right here to enter your card details to activate your or verify your details. Okay, it's really easy. Once you do that, well, you will you need to add your card info right here, and then you need to click activate card. Once you do that, well, this is really easy. Once you do this, you can make a bank transfer clicking this button. It's the same with debit card transfer. You need to click debit card transfer as and you will see um, this message right here. That means that you need to activate your card to continue to the debit card transfer. It's really easy to do. So I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.